So what we're going to do is create the view that goes with this action method. So down here under Views and Home, okay, because we're in the Home controller, we're going to add an index view in the Home folder. So we're going to right-click, Add, New Scaffolded Item. And now we're going to do a view, and it's going to be empty. And index is the correct name. So we will go ahead and add that. And then we are going to customize it to match what is in the book. So I'm going to pause this while I key it in. Okay, so at the top, it's got layout equal null, which means that we aren't using a layout. Typically, the layout is shared, and we pull the views into it. But because we have the layout set to null, we have to have all of the HTML in here. So you'll notice that we have doc type, we have the opening and closing HTML, we've got the head, we've got the body. Normally in a view, you don't have to have all of that, okay, because the layout that the view is being pulled into has a lot of that HTML skeleton in it. Okay, but ours, because this is from scratch, we're going to do everything in this particular view. So I'm going to go ahead, save, and I like to run builds quite often. I think it's good practice because that way you catch typos and problems before you've added a lot more pages, and it's just easier to problem solve.